Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the European Rundown for today, Monday the 7th of February. Just going around to 11 o'clock now here in London to check around the markets. And equity markets have followed on from around a 9-month high we touched overnight in the Nikkei in Japan. Chinese markets are once again closed for the New Year holidays. But that's positive equity move in Asia has followed through into a higher open, and continued positivity in the equity markets here in Europe. We're up around 1% or so. Some minor outperformance seen in peripheral stock indices. Good earnings out of Julius Baer have been noted, as well as Deutsche Bank being upgraded at Commerzbank pre-market, and upbeat comments out of quite a few German stocks, in particular Daimler. In terms of Chinese demand, they're looking to employ tens of thousands more employees there to address that demand, and also as well for Adidas, the sports maker, have also anticipate a strong year this year following on from good numbers for 2010. Bund markets, though, in terms of Bund futures, are trading pretty flat overall. Some minor widening seen in the peripheral spread, so slight reversal we had last week as participants continue to digest and change their expectations on whether or not that EFSF will see any changes. But again, that doesn't look like that will happen until around March of this year. Looking forward in terms of the calendar, not too much in economic data today. We've seen the Eurozone Centex investor confidence, which did come out quite a bit stronger than expected. So slightly weaker dollar with euro-dollar in minor positive territory, with some relatively upbeat comments or hawkish comments on inflation from Bini Spaggi also noted this morning. And elsewhere in the UK, sterling, the currency, seen a little stronger, a bit of weight in the short sterling strip in the stirs. That comes after the Shadow Times MPC at the weekend voted 5-4 to hike rates and the Bank of England rate decision, even though the general market consensus is still for a hold decision this Thursday. Elsewhere in terms of US economic data, not too much to go off. At 1:30 we'll have Canadian building permits and the US consumer credit later on around 8 p.m. But that concludes the opening morning wrap. We'll have another update at the European cash close this afternoon. So for the time being, have a great trading day.